Today's topic is main difference between the Java and Python programming languages. Java and Python are both popular programming languages, but they have different characteristics and are often used for different purposes. Here are some key differences between Java and Python. Java versus Python. First one is syntax, second one is typing, third one is performance, fourth one is platform, fifth one is ecosystem and libraries, sixth one is concurrency and parallelism, seventh one is community and popularity, eighth one is learning curve. Syntax. Java has a more verbose and strict syntax. It requires explicit type declarations, and code is organized into classes and methods. It uses curly braces to denote code blocks and requires semicolons to terminate statements. Python is known for its clean and concise syntax. It uses indentation whitespace to define code blocks and doesn't require explicit type declarations. It uses colons to indicate the beginning of code blocks. Typing. Java is a statically typed language, meaning you must declare the data type of a variable before using it. Types are checked at compile time. Python is dynamically typed, allowing you to assign any value to a variable without specifying its type. Type checking is done at runtime. Performance. Java tends to have better performance compared to Python, especially in terms of raw computational speed due to its compiled nature and optimizations. Python is often slower than Java because it's interpreted and has dynamic typing. However, for many applications, Python's performance is sufficient, and it excels in rapid development. Platform. Java is known for its write once, run anywhere philosophy. Java applications can run on any platform with a Java Virtual Machine JVM. Python is also platform independent, but it may require platform-specific adjustments for some applications. Ecosystem and libraries. Java has a vast ecosystem with a wide range of libraries and frameworks, particularly in enterprise and back-end development. It's popular for building large-scale applications. Python is known for its extensive standard library and a rich ecosystem of third-party libraries and frameworks. It's widely used in areas like web development, data science, and scripting. Concurrency and parallelism. Java provides robust support for multi-threading and concurrency with features like threads and the java.util.concurrent package. Python has the global interpreter lock-GIL in Python, the most common Python implementation, which limits the execution of multiple threads. However, Python can utilize multiprocessing for true parallelism. Community and popularity. Java has been around since the 1990s and has a mature and established community. Python has seen significant growth in popularity in recent years, particularly in fields like data science and machine learning. Learning curve. Java has been around since the 1990s and has a mature and established community. Python is often considered more beginner-friendly due to its simplicity and readability. Thank you for watching this video.